12 personal hygiene mistakes people make every day. Most people like to take care of themselves and practice good personal hygiene. But there are a few serious mistakes that we make on a daily basis that prevent us from being truly healthy. What are they, and what should we do instead? Let's find out together. But before we start, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and turn on notifications so you won't miss any of our new videos. Number 12. Biting your nails to cope with stress. Nail biting is one of the most common bad habits out there. Research shows that most people stop biting their nails only by age 30, if not older. But why exactly do we do it? Well, sometimes nail biting can be triggered by emotional or mental stress and used as a way to deal with these feelings. It can become so natural for you that you might bite your nails without even noticing. If you're a nail biter, you might want to listen up. Nail biting does nothing good for your appearance. Plus, your fingers and nails are covered in bacteria that makes their way into your body through your mouth when you chew at your nails. So the earlier you kick this habit, the better. Number 11. Cleaning your ears with cotton swabs. Weren't Q-tips made for cleaning out your ears? I mean, they're so perfectly shaped to do this, right? Well, even if that's the case, doctors have long been advising against putting cotton swabs in your ears. And that's because the Q-tip can end up just pushing excess wax deeper into your ear, which does more harm than good. Cotton swabs can even damage the eardrum and cause hearing loss and other ear-related problems. Try using olive oil instead. According to the American Hearing Research Foundation, putting 2 or 3 drops of olive oil in your ear will soften the earwax and help it work its way out. This gentle way of cleaning is way better and safer for you and your health. Number 10. Not washing your hands after using the restroom. You might think that this point shouldn't even be on this list, since everybody knows the importance of washing your hands after using the bathroom. Yet a simple survey found that 62% of men and 40% of women actually do not bother to do so. Sounds like most of us are just saying that we wash our hands when, really, we don't. All jokes aside, scrubbing your hands clean is the best and easiest way to prevent yourself from getting sick. Plus, research shows that after using the restroom, the average person has about 2 million bacteria per square inch on their hands. So if you don't wash them away, they stay right there and eventually make their way into your body. Number 9. Not replacing your toothbrush frequently enough. You might think you're practicing good dental hygiene by diligently brushing your teeth every day. But if you're doing it with an old toothbrush, you're not even cleaning your teeth. And that's because the bristles collect tons of bacteria over time, usually just within a month actually. Dentists recommend changing your toothbrush every 2 to 3 months. Using the same one longer than that can result in some serious health problems, including heart disease. So don't brush your teeth with a bacteria-infested toothbrush and change it often. That way you'll have a happy, healthy smile and body. Number 8. Brushing your teeth incorrectly. That's right, we make a lot of mistakes when it comes to oral health. Even if you brush your teeth twice a day as recommended, if you're not doing it the right way, you're not cleaning away all the bacteria and tartar. And again, poor dental hygiene can lead to infections and even heart problems. Dentists recommend brushing your teeth in small circular motions for 2 minutes straight. Make sure to get along the inside and outside surfaces of your teeth, and don't forget to brush your tongue. It's also full of bacteria. If you follow all the rules, your teeth will be pearly white and healthy. Number 7. Skipping on flossing. I know, again with the dental hygiene. It turns out that brushing your teeth isn't enough. Flossing should also be part of your daily oral care routine. It's all about keeping your gums in good condition, which is almost impossible to do without flossing. Your toothbrush can't possibly reach every nook and cranny, so that's where flossing comes in. It'll remove the hard-to-reach bacteria that, if left where they are, can lead to cavities, tooth loss, and gingivitis. Make an effort to floss after every meal, or at least before you brush your teeth. That'll definitely help you on your way to a gorgeous Hollywood smile. Number 6. Exfoliating your face every day. Exfoliating is so addictive, isn't it? I mean, who doesn't love that silky smooth feeling of the skin when it's been exfoliated? But knowing the limits isn't just advisable, it's a must. You see, over-exfoliating can wreak havoc on your poor skin. It causes more acne and wrinkles, both of which nobody wants on their face. Dermatologists say you should exfoliate only twice a week and no more than that. It'll be enough for your skin to stay smooth and fresh-looking. Number 5. Not disinfecting things that you use every day. A lot of people are conscientious about taking care of themselves, but completely forget about the objects they use every day. And we're not even talking about obvious stuff like your phone or laptop. What about doorknobs, the TV remote, keyboards, and light switches? And that's not even the whole list. You touch these objects several times a day, and if you don't disinfect them, tons of bacteria just keep growing on them. And, naturally, these bacteria make their way into your system and get you sick. So pay attention to all the surfaces you put your hands on every day, and remember to wipe them down with antibacterial wipes from time to time because a clean home is a healthy home. Number 4. Using fluoride toothpaste. That's right, back to the teeth discussion again. This one's pretty surprising though, since most toothpastes contain fluoride. But recent studies by the American Dentist Association are now saying that fluoride is actually quite dangerous for your health. Research shows that it's especially detrimental to children's dental health because it can lead to incorrect tooth development and the appearance of white spots on their teeth. Fluoride toothpaste can cause crumbling of the teeth and even increase the absorption of aluminum in the brain, which contributes to Alzheimer's disease. None of that sounds good, so go for a toothpaste that meets your particular needs but leaves out the fluoride. Number 3. Using cotton pillowcases. Here's a shocking fact. The material of your pillowcase affects your looks. No joke. If you're sleeping on a cotton pillowcase, you could end up looking much older than you are because this material dries out your skin, which leads to premature wrinkling. Not to mention, it damages your hair too. It's better to use silk pillowcases. Silk will quickly give you back what the cotton took away: fresh and healthy-looking skin and hair. Number 2. Vacuuming too often. As we learned with facial exfoliation, too much of a good thing can be a bad thing, and that goes for vacuuming as well. Even if you vacuum every single day, it doesn't actually kill the bacteria hiding in your carpets. And if you don't clean out your vacuum regularly, your carpet and floor get damaged by dirt and dust particles. The best way to eliminate most of the bacteria is to steam clean your carpets. And don't forget that if you use your vacuum cleaner about once a week or less, you should change the filter every 3 to 4 months. Number 1. Over-clipping your toenails. If you can't figure out why you keep getting painful ingrown toenails, you might be over-clipping them. You see, when the toenail is cut too short, the pressure from walking forces the nail to grow into the skin of your toe. And it's not only about clipping too short, you also have to worry about leaving them too rounded or jagged. If part of your nail is jutting out at an uncomfortable angle, it can grow into the surrounding skin. And if you've still made any of these nail clipping mistakes, use an antiseptic to prevent further infection. As you can see, all these tips are pretty easy to follow. The main point is to be more attentive and proactive when it comes to taking care of yourself. But maybe you've got some of your own personal hygiene secrets?